piano and chill pop drums. Smooth female pop vocal with nostalgic yet comforting tone. Lax, emotional, intimate atmosphere. A dreamy and cinematic caption for quiet nights. Soft and textures, minimal beats and smooth laid vocals. An ocean unaffected with wind and this world production. Perfect for late night playlists and calm moments. Language, English. Right, wrong, kick up, soft pop song inspired by a cozy cafe morning. Acoustic guitar with staying endless pop drums and light bass. Smooth female choreo vocal with cheerful, emotional tone. Sunny, hopeful, and relaxing vibe like IU or Yoon has soft pop. A warm and dreamy passion, style by peaceful moonlit nights. Soft piano and strings blended with button pawn cushion. And national fino echo, smooth phrasing, chanted harmonies, romantic and civic atmosphere. Some pop beefing and later for and made too. A bright and emotional pop song inspired by a cozy cafe morning. Acoustic guitar and piano lead the arrangement with warm bass and pop drums. Smooth female vocal with hopeful tone and gentle melody. Sunny, comforting and relaxing, like a morning playlist on Spotify.